selfish and mean politics had always overshadowed the modernization of Indian railways. These were the words Prime Minister Narendra Modi said while flagging off Rajasthan's first Vande Bharat Express train. The Vande Bharat Express, flagged off in Rajasthan, is the world's first semi-high-speed passenger train on high-rise overhead electric territory. Plying between Jaipur and Delhi Cant railway station, the train will cover distance in 5 hours and 15 minutes. The regular services will begin on April 13th. At the inauguration, PM Modi said, Vande Bharat Express enriches the spirit of India first, always first. I'm happy that Vande Bharat train has today become synonymous with development, modernity, self-reliance and stability. Today's journey of Vande Bharat will lead us to the journey of developed India tomorrow. He took a jibe at the previous governments which only indulged in corruption. PM Modi said,
रेलवे के आधुनिकीकरण पर हमेशा राजनीतिक स्वार्थ हावी रहा। राजनीतिक स्वार्थ को देखकर तब ये तय किया जाता था कि कौन रेल मंत्री बनेगा, कौन नहीं बनेगा। राजनीतिक स्वार्थ ही तय करता था कि कौन सी ट्रेन किस स्टेशन पर चलेगी। राजनीतिक स्वार्थ ने ही बजट में ऐसी ट्रेनों की घोषणा करवाई जो कभी चली ही नहीं। हालत ये थी कि रेलवे की भर्तियों में राजनीति होती थी, बड़े पैमाने पर भ्रष्टाचार होता था।
The train service is expected to boost Rajasthan's tourism as it will improve the connectivity to destinations such as Pushkar and Ajmer Sharif Dargah, which draws attraction from scores of tourists every year. The Vande Bharat Express is an indigenously manufactured semi-high-speed and self-propelled train. It is equipped with state-of-the-art passenger amenities and provides passengers with a faster, more comfortable and more convenient travel experience.